Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, AmandaEnsing, and today I'm going to be showing you how and what I pack in my makeup travel bag. Travel makeup bag. You guys know what I'm saying. So I'm headed to Vegas tomorrow. Viva Las Vegas. I feel like Vegas is a regular thing in my life right now. I was just there last week taking my boyfriend's parents, and now my mom is coming into town. I wish my dad was coming too, but he has to work, and my dad's just my dad. If you know my dad, he does his own thing. So my mom is coming, and she's gonna spend like 2 weeks with me. My mom wants to see Vegas. We're actually super upset because we really want to see J-Lo perform, and there are no tickets. Like, J-Lo is our Puerto Rican queen. Like, if I ever meet her, I will meet her one day. She is my everything. She is my queen. So we really want to see her, but there aren't any tickets. So we're just gonna, see Vegas. I don't know, my mom wants to see Vegas. Maybe we'll see like Cirque du Soleil or something, I don't know. So I thought I'd take the opportunity today to show you guys what I pack and how I pack my makeup, because if you love makeup like I love makeup, it is so tempting to pack everything in your makeup collection. You're like, literally, I'm like, Amanda, I don't need 30 lipsticks. Maybe 15, but not 30. I've been traveling a lot lately, so I want to show you guys, for those of you who are traveling or just, need some tips, and I hope that it'll help you out. So enough of my face. Let's get into how I pack my makeup. So this is my makeup case that I'm taking. It's from LC Cosmetics. I am beyond obsessed. Like, I don't know what I did before, but I freaking love this because it fits like everything. So it's already unzipped. The top has a little brush holder, which is so helpful, a little zip. And the brush holder is great because now I don't have to carry like a separate brush container and then this big underneath part. So this is the first thing that I'm going to fill up. I like to start with my makeup brushes. So I'm gonna show you guys a little tip. If your makeup brushes are dirty and it's like the night before and you're rushing, this will save your freaking life. I love this. It's the Clinique brush cleanser. I'm gonna show you a little tip, a little beauty hack real quick. This is a paper towel. I already started cleaning my brushes, so that's why it's dirty. This will save your life. If you don't have it, you need this in your life. It's the Clinique makeup brush cleanser. I've been using this, swearing by it for years. So if you don't have time to clean your brushes the night before and you're freaking out, this will save your life. I mean, I use it every day anyways. So I'm gonna clean these two and show you. So all you do is spray on the paper towel, and it cleans your brush and it dries within like 30 seconds. Like, there's no way I could clean all of my makeup brushes. I will only deep clean my brushes maybe once a month. But do you see like how much better that looks? It was so dirty. And it doesn't dry out your brushes either. I've been using this stuff for years. It's really great. So I always do this to my brushes right before I travel. And that way I can pack them and they're clean. Oh, there's a hair tie in here. That's helpful. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my brushes. I'm gonna take my Morphe R7. This is gonna be my bronzing brush. You guys are gonna be amazed at how little I pack. I'm taking my Laura Mercier fan brush, a crease brush. This one is from Sigma. It's just a fluffy brush. So I'm gonna pack my beauty blender. You guys, please don't put your beauty blender in a Ziploc bag. That is the most disgusting thing, and I feel like that's just asking for mold. It's just not cute. Please don't do that. If you wanna wrap your beauty blender, put it in a paper towel so it can still breathe. I just washed mine, so it's still a little damp, so I'm gonna let it sit out a little bit, but I will put it in the little container that it comes with, and then I will just stick it like right there. So I'm gonna put it right there for right now to show you guys. I'm also gonna pack a pencil brush. Then the last brush I'm gonna pack is this little powder brush. Just after I bake, it'll dust off all the excess. And that's it, because my beauty blender does foundation, concealer, and baking. So I have bronzer and blush, highlight, and then if I want some eyeshadow, I have a pencil brush and a crease brush. So those are all the brushes I'm gonna pack. Next are tools. So I have a pencil sharpener for my lip pencils, some lash glue, some scissors in case I need to cut any lashes. For these smaller items, I'm gonna put them in the little zip pocket right here, just so they don't move around. And, oh, what is that? Is that a necklace? Hold up. Yep. I'm also bringing a lash curler. And then tweezers. I use tweezers for everything. They're so necessary. Plucking brows, putting on lashes, random hairs, you never know. Now I'm gonna put all my makeup in the bottom. So I'm gonna start with this blush bronzer from e.l.f. I love this. I'm running out of it so fast. So I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna take the Beauty Bakery Flour Baking Powder just to set. I'm gonna bring a couple highlights just because I'm extra. I'm taking a Bobbi Brown Sunrise Glow, which is like a pink highlight. I'm gonna bring Laura Geller Gilded Honey, which I always bring, and then I'm gonna bring Kylie Cosmetics Fiji. I always bring a lot of highlights and a lot of lipsticks. It's just what I like. You never know. I don't know, I just always pack a lot. I'm gonna bring one pair of lashes. These are Lily Lashes Mykonos, my fave. I don't really do eyeshadow when I travel, like short trips like this. I rather just do glowing skin, change up my lip color and lashes and call it a day, or even no lashes, just mascara. For brows, I'm gonna bring my Benefit Precisely My Brow and then my brow gel from Benefit. Gotta bring my Aquaphor. This is a must-have. This is my lip balm. I have to have that. I'm also gonna pack this little MAC mirror. It's just a little compact, so I have. For foundation, I'm gonna pack the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This has been my current go-to travel foundation. And then for primer, I'm gonna use the Hangover RX primer from Too Faced. I'm gonna bring 2 concealers. I'm gonna bring Tarte Shape Tape and NYX HD. That's all I'm gonna put in here. You could pile more, but I like to keep this pretty light. I'm also gonna bring this little clear container. You could literally use any clear container. This one is from MAC, it's what I have, so that's what I'm gonna use. But I love separating like a lot of the little things like lip products and brows and mascaras. I don't know why, I just like separating some of this stuff. So I'm gonna start with my lip products. I have Buxom lip product. This is their Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lip in Taupe It Off. So I'm gonna pack this in here. I'm gonna bring ColourPop Alyssa Liquid Lip. I'm gonna bring Laura Geller Lip Gloss. I think this is Gilded Honey. Yes, this is Gilded Honey, just like the highlight. Then I'm also gonna bring Kylie Cosmetics 20, just kidding, she's not 22, she's 20. Okay, number 20, I love this liquid lip, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna pack those in there. I always pack a lot of lips just so I have options. I'm bringing Fenty Stena lip paint. I love this red, it's my current favorite red. I'm gonna bring this lip gloss from MAC and Desire, it's a dark red. And then I'm gonna bring Beeper from ColourPop, no surprise here, one of my favorites. Other staples for me, Kat Von D Bow and Arrow. I adore this color. I've been wearing it for years. Then I'm gonna bring 2 more Kylie Cosmetics staples, the Candy K Liquid Lip, which I love and use a lot, and the Literally Lip Gloss. I'm gonna bring 1 lip pencil. This one is from Bite. It's in number 36. I've got my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir Drops. I can't be without those. I'm gonna bring this little baby Fix Plus. How cute is this, you guys? Like seriously, it's so cute. So I'm gonna bring him. Then 2 mascaras. I have Roller Lash and Lash Accelerator. This I use for my lashes. This I always use for my bottom lashes. It's literally the only thing I can use for my bottom lashes to where they don't like bleed everywhere. And that's it. I don't know if you guys are shocked or what, but this is all I'm bringing. Like, that's all I need. I'm hoping I didn't forget anything. I always forget something, so if I did, I'm sure you guys will let me know. But this is it. That's my weekend travel makeup. All right, you guys, that wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some tips. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to join my A-team, and hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload a video. I will link all my other social media platforms down below if you want to follow me, come be besties with me, you know, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I mean, I don't know about Snapchat because they screwed up and updated and it's terrible. I'm sorry. I used to love Snapchat, so Snapchat, please get it together. But you know, I'll link all of that down below. As always, thank you for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.